Well, good morning. Hello, hello. This is Ash with Bohemian Gardens, and I am here at the Can you guys see? The Lowe's. It is literally what, 7:40 in the morning. I got here about an hour ago, and I tried to film a bunch of things inside because they had some really nice plants. I find that they're taking care of their plants beautifully here. But you guys, literally, I don't even know if I just got a rare plant or not, and I'm coming to you first for your advice. All right, so I'm just gonna cut right to the chase. Check out what I found now. I have a Philodendron Brazil, right? But check this out. Is this the stripy one that's super rare? Oh my goodness. And look, her luscious leaves are all glistening with this gorgeous water droplets. But this was 1998. There's one other one left here. I'm at the Lowe's in Covina. You guys, it is such a beautiful plant. It is so full. It is so perfect. I am so pumped. And I'm just gonna have to do some research because I know that there's different varieties of the Brazil and the type with the patching and the, you know, all those beautiful accents that they come in with the coloring. But anyhow, sorry guys, I'm rambling. I also got this one, this gorgeous heartleaf philodendron for $9.98. You guys don't believe me? Okay, all right, here. I'm gonna prove it to you. So my total today was $33.03, and I just was so excited to share with you. So if anybody is near the Covina Lowe's, and there might just be one more amazing philodendron for you. I do believe I got this somewhat rare plant, but maybe not. So anyway, stay tuned, you guys. I will follow up with this and a full garden tour very, very soon. I hope you're having the most amazing day.